Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making slow cooker 3-ingredient maple mustard pork roast. What all goes into the slow cooker 3-ingredient maple mustard pork roast? Just from the title, I bet you can tell what goes in it. 2 to 3 pounds of pork roast, or if you want a leaner option, go with a pork tenderloin, and that's what I'm doing. And it is actually 2.67 pounds. 1/2 cup pure maple syrup and 1/2 cup Dijon mustard. So let's begin. Take a small bowl, mix your 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup and your 1/2 cup of Dijon mustard, and combine that until thoroughly mixed. This is a very easy recipe. You mix these two things, put everything in the crock pot, go enjoy your day and come back and eat. Who doesn't love recipes like that? Take your 2 to 3 pound pork roast or pork tenderloin, lay it in the bottom of the crock pot, and pour your Dijon mustard pure maple syrup mix, 1/2 cup of each. Pour evenly over the pork roast, making sure that all of it is covered. And I'm going to put a little bit on the sides here. Put your lid on. And as usual, I am using some kind of a liner. I either use the disposable ones or my silicone one. Today I'm using my silicone one for easy cleanup. Turn your crock pot to low and cook it for 6 to 8 hours. So after 9 hours, I took the pork tenderloin out of the crock pot. It needs to rest for a couple of minutes and then we'll dish up. Here is the slow cooker 3-ingredient maple mustard pork roast. I'm using pork tenderloin. Rounding out the meal is white rice. I have the sauce drizzled on both of them. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Smells good. I'm assuming
It is.
the chicken.
You know, that is slow cooker 3-ingredient maple mustard pork tenderloin.
Oh, it was really tender.
Well, I cooked it an extra hour.
It's really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.